Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to disable auto renew in HostGator. But before that, I want to let you know that you can access my HostGator course within my university for free. Inside this HostGator course, you will learn things like how to get started with your HostGator shared hosting, how to set up and manage your website and email account, and also how to optimize your WordPress performance in HostGator. Plus, you'll get access to my other available courses and also the upcoming ones. To join my university today for free, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. To disable the auto renew in HostGator, just go to this little icon, click on Renewal Center, select the products you want to disable the auto renew for, and click on this button. Confirm that you want to disable auto renew and you are responsible for it, and click on disable. As you can see, my request to disable auto renew is processing and it will be completed in a moment. That was all for this video. If you like it, don't forget to give it a like and make sure to subscribe.